Hello everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today I want to introduce one of the most important and useful indicator to you. You can search in the indicator bar double ribbon on ChartPrime. Yes, here. This one. Okay. After that, you can use it on your chart in TradingView. There isn't need any changing to the settings. The setting as default is okay. Only you should consider the color changing of this cloud, for example from green to violet here. When you see the confirmation candle, you can take one position, sell position, exactly here. As you can see in this picture, in this video. Only after changing the color of the cloud, for example here from violet to green, you need to find confirmation candle for buy and sell. You can use it in all time frames, all forex indexes, and please check as backtest and forward test and match it with your personal strategy. And also please don't forget to have your own strategy and use a stop loss also always. For example, here we go to gold, chart of the gold here. Also you can see changing the color of the cloud with confirmation candle. Also you can check it from here, from down. You can trade it simply, but please don't forget, find the confirmation candle. Okay, please share with me your ideas, your points of view and everything in comments, and good luck.